Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you India's first messaging app, that is Sandesh, and I am going to tell you how to download it from the website, its user guide and review. So let's start the video. So guys, first to download the app you have to search Sandesh app download, and in the interface the first site which is coming, that is www.gims.gov.in. You have to just click on it, and when it opens it shows two options. First, to download the apk for Android, and another is for iOS. So according to you, if you are using Android, you will download from Android. So like I am also using Android, so I will download from first option. So you have to just click on OK, and then it will start downloading. So guys, now you can see that the app is downloaded. In Android it comes with the name GIMS, and in iOS it comes with the similar name, that is Sandesh. So now let's operate it first by opening it. So it asks few permissions. We have to just click OK and allow some of the basic permissions that every messaging app asks. So first of all, the first interface that it shows is how we have to log in. So it asks either from mobile or email, but the mobile number should only be of Indian. Okay, so I will be using mobile. I will now enter my mobile number. So it will ask for the OTP. So when the OTP will become coming, we will just enter it and it would get logged in. So now you can see that OTP has arrived, so I will enter it. So we have to just click on next, and it asks for just backup, so I am skipping it. And now it's asking that welcome Sharad, we are about to sync your phone book. So we can just cancel it, or either we can sign. So I'm just canceling it. So now you can see that it's showing a simple user interface like WhatsApp, Signal, and now my contacts are not added in. That's why it's showing blank. I have not chat with any. So I'm going to show you my chat. I'm going to chat with bot, the info bot. So we will go on info service, and then I will just type hello. So now it's please type help for list of services available. So I will type help. So now it's showing available commands. That is, when we will add type weather and city name, it will show the weather of city, and just few inquiries like every servicing provides. And so I will first show you the weather. I'm going to show you weather of Delhi. So it has shown that place Delhi, temperature 29.54 degrees Celsius and humidity 42. Okay, so now so now you can also see that there are tags Gmoji and text capital, small, underlined, bold. That's every messaging app provides. We can also share contact, audio, camera, file, images from gallery. Okay, we can also do video call with the friends, family members, etc. So now I think that it's similar as other servicing messaging apps. So thank you. I hope you all liked the video, and please make sure to like, share and subscribe. We are very close to 200 subs. Thank you.